FAQs is another page you can add. Blogs, we'll go to blogs there for a second. You just basically put in the feed and then just update it and save it, and you've got a blog feed into your application. That would be an RSS feed that you put into there. Very simple to do. Another fun page is Getting Started. This is the email or the web page that you present to your users when they start getting started, so you want to configure that as well. Support and About Us pages, straightforward. And the last one is the most interesting for you in terms of the additional integration that you have to do. So basically, there is, you create this marketplace listing on the Etelos site, and this is what you do here for the Etelos Marketplace. And then we build, we have to send that information to you. So this is the web services post for this type of license or listing type. This was the web service with the integrated billing. So we want to send you, we need a URL from you to post the format of the data of who actually purchased something, and it can be posted to either JSON or XML format, and you can see examples of what that XML or JSON code would look like. And then also how we want statuses returned and so forth as part of provisioning that information into your marketplace or into your hosted application provisioning process. There's also facilities for adding on items, as well as if your user happens to cancel their subscription. We don't want that to happen, of course, but there's facilities for managing the life cycle of your customer with your application. Now, this is what we'd call a simple licensing model. We also have advanced licensing model capabilities, which is more integrated, 6 or 7 APIs that can check user licenses, maintain that they're active, and manage a process for you to make sure that they're current with their billing. If they're not current with their billing, to take them through that billing process to make sure that you get the revenue that you deserve. So that's the last piece in terms of putting these things together and making it all happen. So that's the basics of what we're doing. And the last piece, of course, is to submit. And as part of the submission process, we'll go ahead and start to turn that back to Ray. So Ray, hopefully you're still with us, and turn it back to you. Yep.
Excellent. Yeah, so just wanted to follow up on a couple of things. Really good job in demonstrating how easy it is to get set up and all the features that you have at your disposal and seeing what type of things we take care of in the marketplace so you can continue to focus on building a cool app. So, the question I like to ask myself on these things is, why wouldn't you want your application listed in the marketplace? And why to get more eyeballs looking at it, and to get more viewers, and to get more revenue. So, and where we come into play is we come into play as a revenue share. So we're interested in your success as well as our success, and that's how we move forward. And to give you an example, we're doing a couple other webinars coming up for our partners. The one we have scheduled for the 26th of this month is for Sales Navigator Pro, which is a very cool application. And 2Comma Sales is our partner there that we're going to be hosting that for. And next month we have Espresso, which is an online spreadsheet that integrates with Excel. And so those are two that are coming up very shortly. The other thing I want to mention too is in getting more exposure too, we also have the Etelos Ad Serve. So if you want to check that out, you can start campaigns to get more exposure for your applications to our free user base, as well as in our marketplace. You see a banner ad, and so that you can have your company there for branding as well. And to find out more about that, just simply go to http://adserve.etelos.com. So Scott's going to be continuing to answer questions via chat while we turn the audio off here in a minute. But if you have any other questions that we haven't answered, please feel free to contact us. And an easy way is just email us at sales@etelos.com or support@etelos.com. And we'll be happy to help you guys get into the marketplace, especially if you guys see a fit and it'd be mutually beneficial to both of us. That'd be very cool. So thank you for joining us today. Thank you for being patient with some of the technical issues, like the audio there for a minute. And have a great day and look forward to a prosperous year. Goodbye.
Okay, so this is the point where we basically just now we're answering these, okay?
Yeah, but I don't have any questions.
I know.
So I want to open it up to any questions. If you have any questions, feel free to use the chat box in the GoToWebinar to send those. Got a lot of folks out there. Don't be shy. So if there's anything we can answer, I will flash up here again the contact Etelos screen, and certainly you can contact us offline if you have any questions. As Ray was saying, support@etelos.com or sales@etelos.com. So I want to thank you for attending today then, and hopefully you have a great rest of the day.